Hey fam, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am here with another slay, baby. Okay, so if you want to find out how to get these chunky, juicy twists, then you better stay tuned and keep on watching. All right, let's jump right into this. So first off, you always want to section your hair off, and I don't know what I am dancing to, but listen, your girl had to get her hair done, and I was like, okay, I got to do my hair because it was starting to look busted. Those braids was looking crazy, and I mean, even Random Randall was like, so of course, you know, I had to come through with a new hairdo because I can't be out in these streets looking crazy like that. But yes, in the beginning, I showed you guys the products that I'm using. Right here, I'm just using the edge control. And before that, I actually used the stick that you would use to lay down your hair so it lays flat when you flat iron it and stuff like that. For whatever reason, it gave me a really good grip, and I just felt like it worked for me. I mean, it might not work for you, but I absolutely love this hairstyle. Like, listen, your girl can't cornrow. I can cornrow other people's heads, but I cannot cornrow my own head. So this is what I was forced to do. I found this technique online from another YouTuber. I believe her name is Beauty Can Braid, and I absolutely love her channel. I am a subscriber to her. And she was doing it on her clients. And when I seen the video, I said, you know what? I think I can do this on myself. Now, I want to say that it's pretty easy. Very, very easy. So right here, you know, you just take the stick and you put that right up under your braid. You're going to take the hair that you have around your fingers, wrap that in, close the loop, pull it through, and then you're done. I mean, it's as simple as that. As long as you can make yourself a box braid, I think you're in business, girlfriend. Like, honestly. Oh, and don't forget to make sure it's even, because I did have a couple in the back that I was like, oops. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's simple, easy breezy. The hairstyle for me was like amazing, and I absolutely love it. So right here, I'm just showing you that you don't want to leave your natural hair puffy, because it's going to blend in a lot better if you put something that'll make it sleek. For me, I use the Gorilla Snot. That's what I showed you in the beginning. For you, you can use whatever works on your hair. I tried something new. I never used Gorilla Snot before, so I said, well, let me give it a shot. So it seemed like slippery and gooey, and I said, okay, this might work. So I tried that out, and I love it. I really, really love it. So another thing I do want to tell you about these twists is that there is actually a certain technique to twisting these twists. Like, believe it or not, I thought it was just like, you know, oh, let's just twist some hair. Well, it's not like that. You actually have to, let's see, how can I explain this? I would like to say if you had a pole and you wrapped a string or a ribbon around it to cover the whole pole, that's pretty much what you're doing. So in one hand, well, in both hands you have 2 strands of hair, but with the other hand, you're kind of taking it and wrapping it around the other strand of hair. And I will slow this down so that you guys can see this, because I was like, what the heck happened to this one? As you can see, I had to take it out and retwist it. And a lot of this I sped up because I just wanted you to see how it's done, but I will be slowing it down in just a second, and I will let you guys see that. So, enjoy. Alright, so before we get into the twisting, let's get into the braiding. So, right here, you pretty much want to braid your hair down to at least 1 inch. But in my case, you probably want to braid it down a little bit longer because my hair is longer, and it helped it to be easier for me to use. I mean, I did speed this up a bit, but, you know, your girl was moving so slow that it didn't matter anyways. You can still tell what I'm doing. But yes, you just want to braid it down, and once you're done with that, you're good to go. So you be the judge of how long it needs to be. But let's get into this twisting. You see right here, you just pinch it and the hair just separates. Bam, it's perfect. Like, oh my God. So right here, you just want to take the latch hook, push the hair onto the latch hook, close it up. Once again, pull it through. And once you pull it through, you're done. Like, it's that simple. But we're going to get into this whole twisting part in just a second. So right here, I'm using the gorilla snot, like I said previously. You just want to sleek your hair down and make sure it's nice and flat. And here we go. We're going to start twisting. And hopefully you guys can understand what I was talking about when I said you're wrapping it around the hair, meaning not leaving any of the hair that you are twisting the other hair around exposed. I think I made a pretty good example with the pole and the ribbon. So we'll just stick with that analogy. But yes, it was super easy. Like, this was definitely barely an inconvenience. Like, right here also, I forgot to mention, you do want to separate your hair, because if you're just twisting around one strand, it's going to be bulky on that one strand because your hair is attached to only one strand. So right about midway, you want to go ahead and separate the hair, your hair, not the hair, and begin twisting the rest of the way down. And once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. Like, you don't have to be bothered with, you know, let me retake it out and do it. And that's what happened when I got to the front of my head. I started noticing what it was that I was doing wrong. And I was like, oh, what is going on here? Like, I can't get this twist right. But I got it. Practice makes perfect, guys. And at the end, the only thing that I did was add a little bit of water and twisted it up. So now I'm going to go ahead and complete the rest of my head. So keep on watching. Also, fam, be sure to like this video, because liking this video helps YouTube know that I even exist on YouTube. And I will see you guys in my next video. But before I do, I want you to stay tuned for some behind the scenes footage. Yeah, I'm going to let you know who keeps me company while I actually do my hair. Stay tuned. What happened, baby? Say hi, Paul. Ready, get out. We want to be on the camera. Why you want to be on the camera? Get out of here. Yo. Go. Go, Brady.